Hello guys, today I will show you how to download CSGO in your computer. So first, go to Steam, download, and just click on the Steam and install the Steam. Once you install the Steam, you go to Steam and here you simply search CSGO. Here you have a CSGO. I already have it downloaded, so here you will have to download the game, and before the download and search for the CSGO you need to sign in. So that's it. This is how you can play the CSGO, and once you download the game it will be in your library. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.